This is second part of progress plan prerequisites. Here we will talk about how we can create uh, progress plan, flat progress plans for each bench, which further on would be used to create progress plan surfaces. So I start the schedule. From previous screencast, you remember that we already have made some steps. So from here to here, I think. We're loading the steps, so loading the benches. You can see that this area is excavated, and now we are going to generate progress plans for it. First of all, we need to make sure that we have spread specifications for every bench. So we go to Schedule Setup, Spread Specification List. Here it lists us all existing spread specifications, and we can see that we have all the necessary specifications. We are using specifications for burden volume, starting from the bench 785 and to the bench 1175. How these specifications are done is explained in the progress plan screencast. Here I will not really touch it. Now we need to generate burden volume progress plan for every extracted bench, from the very top till the very bottom, from here to here. We can do it in one go. To do that, we go to Output, Multi-Progress Plan, and here I will enlarge this form. We put the spread specification name. We put it for all the benches. We use 10 benches, so for all 10 benches. I can do the row fill down, and I can select the range of my benches that I want to play with. Sorry. From here to probably here, and click OK. So the same way you can row fill down the blocks design, should be blocks. We are outputting to a different design file, so I've called it for progress plan surfaces. Output layer you have to input manually, but you can do the following. You can do the row fill down, generate, and you can create your name. So the first component of the name would be constant. The next component of the name would be ppb. Sorry, that's the constant. The next component would be counter, and the counter would start at the lowest bench, which is 0890, and the step would be 15 meters, and after that we will need another constant, and we will say bvol. So after I hit OK, it tells me how many times do I want to repeat that. I say to the end of the table, and after I hit OK, it will populate this column, so it will generate these numbers automatically, like this. Next column we do append. also row fill down. Next column we do start ratio item, row fill down, and the same for the remaining columns. So start ratio, end ratio, tminedir, block type, poly 3D. You can scroll, we don't touch posting. We put the annotation item. We put only KT year. In the screencast for progress plan generation, we were using KT month and KT year, but here we need only the annual outlines. So we are leaving only annotation item 1 KT year, and we are leaving this blank. We are not using months. And for the last 6 columns, we are also doing row fill down, PPF type, PPF color, PPF angle, PPF size, line color, and finally weight. Before hitting apply or OK, you just need to make sure that you have at least one layer activated for write. You can activate them for write, all of them. And when you do that, you can restore your form and hit OK or apply. So I've already done that, so I cancel the form. As the result, you will have this kind of graphics, or maybe this one is better. So you can see that these polygons, I will edit it so you can see it better. Oops, doesn't really matter. So we will make them, and I'll switch annotations. So you see that this is 2014, this is 2015, and this is 2016. And I have such a layer for every bench. So I have it for 890 up to 1025. Why in this range? Because only in this range, only on these benches I was making extraction. I was not touching the other benches. So before we can use these blocks, we need to merge all the blocks that belong to a particular year. This can be done the following way. You go to output, you do the merge progress polys, you select the name of your original layer, for example this one, and you select or you type in the name where you want to allocate your merged polygons. It better be a different layer. I've used the same name, but I've added the suffix _m, which means merged. In tolerance, you just put 0.5, and when you hit OK or apply, it would actually go through all the polygons, and it will generate the merged polygon in this layer. If no polygons could be found when you hit OK, that situation might happen. You just select one of the polygons in the original design file. You go to draw, polygon, expand, and you put 0.1. You hit OK, and after that go back to this form and repeat the exercise. This is a workaround which will fix merging the polygons, and as the result you will see the following picture. So this is 2014, this is 2014 also goes here. For 2015 we have two areas which we were mining, and that's the area for 2016. So this is it about how we create the annual progress polygons, which we will use in creating the annual pit surfaces.